getting the video resolution not supported error on TikTok on your iPhone, this can happen due to unsupported file formats. But don't worry, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the TikTok video resolution not supported error on your iPhone. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, keep in mind that TikTok recommends videos with a resolution 1920 pixels. If it's 2K or 4K, then it won't support. So you need to compress the video. To do that, you need to use a video editing app like iMovie, InShot, or CapCut to re-encode the video with the recommended specifications. So install a video editing app from the App Store. Like, I'm gonna install the CapCut app. Now, open the CapCut app. Next, choose the Edit tab below. Then, tap on New Project. Now, select the video you want to upload on TikTok. After choosing the video, tap Add from the bottom right corner. Now look at the top right. Here, you'll see a tab like Ultra HD or 4K or something else previous to export. Now, you'll see the resolution option. Now check the scale to 1080 pixels. Then, tap on Export from the top right corner. Now go to the TikTok app, upload this video. Now it will upload easily. Hope your TikTok video resolution not supported error is solved now on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have anything to know, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See ya!